Node.js is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment which is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. And NPM is package manager for Node.js, packages and modules. In this video, I will show you how to install Node.js and NPM on Windows system. At the end, we will execute a small script to verify the installation. Let's get started. Open any browser and type Node.js in search engine. Most likely you will get this one as your first result. Click Node.js. There you will get two options, LTS and current. LTS is long-term support version and current one is latest version with most recent features. So LTS is the recommended version for most users. So let's download LTS. Once downloaded, double click the installer. Once you get the prompt, click install anyway. So we'll get the Node.js setup wizard. We do not need the browser, so we can close it. Now click next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next and give the path where you want to install Node.js. In my case, I am giving installed. Click next and here you can select the features that you want to install and add to path where it will add Node.js and NPM in your system path. Click next. If you want to be able to compile and install native modules, then check this checkbox. This will automatically install necessary tools. Alternatively, you can do it later as well. Click next. Now we are ready to install, so click install. Installation started. Got alert from McAfee firewall. Actually, I had to stop McAfee firewall, otherwise it will stop or block installation of native modules. It's done, so click finish. Now this script will install necessary tools required to compile and install native modules. This requires 3 GB of hard disk space plus any space necessary to install Windows Update during this process. Press any key to continue. This script will download and install third-party software. Press any key to continue. Windows Fossil is open and it started fetching packages. You can see Python is not installed, so it's downloading now. So Python 3 is installed. Now it is installing Visual Studio 2017 build tools. We can see 17 packages have been upgraded and the reset package change requires a reboot. So reboot your system at the earliest. For the time being, type enter to exit the PowerShell. Now it's time to verify the installation. Open command prompt and type node-v. This will give the Node.js version installed in your operating system, and type npm-v, which will give you the Node package manager installed in your machine. We have not installed anything specific to npm. When we installed Node, npm got installed by default. Now we'll run one small script to verify the installation. Type echo console.log hello world. verify.js file. So this will basically write console.log hello world statement in verify.js file. Now if we open that verify.js file, we can see that statement. Now type node verify.js and it will run that JavaScript statement that we added in verify.js file. If you have antivirus or firewall installed in your machine, that can stop the installation of native modules. So it is required to stop firewall before you start the installation. In my case, I have McAfee. So before I started installation, I stopped real-time scanning by clicking the turn off for next 15 minutes, and the same thing I did for firewall. Now we are good to install the Node.js. In case you have already started and it got blocked by the firewall, then better to uninstall and install from fresh. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up in the next video.